Hey audio folks, I wanted to walk you through the startup of the console with the Multirack running on the computer so that we can have the computer screen to control plug-in aspects and parameters instead of running them on the center screen taking up valuable real estate. Anyway, first thing you're going to do, as usual, turn on the console. You'll also turn on the front of house computer in this rack, and as it boots up, it'll boot a lot faster now because it's not actually running Multirack on the console. Multirack is basically what controls the whole SoundGrid network. So if you don't have Multirack running, audio will still pass, you just won't have any plugins working. So the console is building and the computer is up, but we're going to wait until the console is completely running. Alright, now if you'll notice, down here is the Wave SoundGrid server. That's actually the thing that processes the plugins. The Multirack on the computer just gives us an interface to it. It's blinking red because it says, hey, there's no Multirack to control me. So the next thing you'll do is you'll go down to the Wave SoundGrid Multirack and you will launch that. That will open up. It is tied directly to the the console, so that when you save or recall snapshots, it also will do that. Some of these snapshots are not, the recall scope does not include waves, and so those won't change. In any case, right now you can see we have all the snapshots that we have on the console over here, and now we can go into the computer, we can open up plugins, we can do things, tweak parameters, etc. So there's that, the amount of correction on auto-tune or whatever. Now, the main thing here is that we don't save on this computer. It basically is still a part of the console. So be aware when you shut down, you'll need to do the usual thing at the console. So I've done all my service and I'm ready to shut down. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to recall my main singer, right? So all the monitors look correct. And then I'm going to save my master snapshot here with update selected. Okay, it won't give you any feedback that has changed, which is unfortunate. Then I'm going to go over here to save the session file under Jesus Saves. It will tell you it's saved it. Now we can quit Multirack. Again, these are tied together, the snapshots are tied together, so I'm doing Command Q and it's shutting down. It didn't complain, it didn't say, hey, you know that these two things are tied together still, right? So I saved the session on the console and then I quit Multirack. Then we go over here, we hit System, Shutdown as normal. I'm confirming that I want to switch off. Notice again, the server has a red blinking light because Multirack isn't running. And now we'll get to this point where it says you may shut off the console. So we do that. Goodbye. So in summary, we need to do console on first, then Multirack, then do the proper shutdown procedure with the console where you fire the monitor snapshot for the first vocalist, then you save your master or your service snapshot, then you save the session, then you can quit over here, then you can shut down over here and turn the power off. Hope that helps.